guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be my Fabfitfun unboxing for summer 2018. So I just got this to my doorstep yesterday. I'm excited to dive into it. I haven't looked into what any of the products are. I haven't seen any other unboxings or kept up with any of it this season. So everything will be a surprise and you guys will get my genuine reaction and thoughts on the products inside this box. So I haven't done a Fabfitfun unboxing in a while, but Fabfitfun is my favorite box out of all the monthly seasonal subscription boxes that you can get. If you don't know what it is a box that costs $49.99, but I have a coupon code for you guys. So if you use the coupon code OliviaZ, it will save you $10 off your first box. So it'll only be $39.99, but it's seasonal. So instead of paying that amount every single month, you pay it by the season. They do spring, summer, fall, and winter. And there's items that are fashion, style, definitely fitness, health and wellness, things like that. It kind of covers a broad spectrum of products, which I think is awesome. A lot of times there's great skincare inside and things like that. And so you get to try out different products and get full-size products that you may not know to try otherwise. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box and show you what's inside. Probably not the most safe way of going about that. All right, so when you open the box, it looks like this. Fabfitfun Taste of Summer. There's always this little brochure on the top, and what I really love about Fabfitfun is they actually look like a full-on newspaper magazine, so I'll use these on my coffee table as a stylish little magazine to lay out. But inside this little magazine will be more details about all the products inside, as well as their retail value, where you can find them, any other colors that they might have come in, things like that. I don't want to look too much at it because I want the products to be a surprise, but as I'm going through the box, I will look in here and let you know what they all retail for as well. Oh my gosh, I see some things that I just got really excited about. So this is what the box looks like, all the products inside before I dive into them. And the very first thing that I see on the top that I have to check out is this Tarte palette. There's freaking Tarte palette inside here. So this is a Tardis Pro To Go palette. Let's see what it retails for. I just got a glimpse in this magazine of something else that could be in this box and it made me super excited as well. So it looks like you could get two options for the Tarte palette. So you'll either get the Tardis Pro Glow Highlight and Contour palette or this Pro To Go eyeshadow palette that also looks like it comes with a liquid liner inside too, which is pretty cool. The liquid liner is not in the box. Oh, here it is. Oh wow, so it's a full size. So it also came with this Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner, which is pretty cool. The colors in here are really nice and neutral, which is nice. I'll get a lot of use out of them. I like how there's a couple mattes and then a couple shimmers too, and it has a little mirror, so it'll be great for traveling too. And then a full-size eyeliner. So the set that I got with the shadows and the eyeliner retails for $43. So if you're gonna spend 40 bucks, 50 bucks on the box, this paid for itself alone already. And then if you get the highlight and contour palette, it's $45, or it retails for $45. Kind of wish I would have gotten the highlight and contour palette because I'm way more of a contour girl than an eyeshadow girl, but you know, I will make use of them, and any Tarte products in this box alone are just freaking awesome. So pumped about that. What a good way to start things off. The next product I see in here is a piece of jewelry. So this is by Earth Jewelry, it looks like, and it looks like a ring. Yeah, it's the Uni Ring. So it's this gold ring that has little pearls on the end. I bet that looks really cute on. This retails for $55, and it is a 14 karat gold plated ring. It has naturally cultured freshwater pearls. So you'll either get this ring or you'll get a set of black lava body caviar. I don't know what body caviar is, but it sounds fancy. Or some de-stress muscle gel. So you'll get one of those three products. I'm glad I got the ring because I'm way more likely to use this, and I have so many body products that I really don't need anymore. But this is really cute and versatile. I will get a lot of use out of this. And the fact that it's 14 karat gold plated means it shouldn't tarnish super easily either. And it retails for $55. Next is something from Pure One Imports. So this is a marble ring dish. Nice and simple. It's like a nice little dish that you can put your jewelry in, your little jewels. And I love these things for right next to the nightstand. I actually got my husband one as well, so maybe I got him one that looks like a whale tail, not a thong whale tail, but like an actual whale's tail. And it's a little feminine for him, so maybe he'll like this marble one to put his bracelets and rings in and stuff. But I love dishes like this, super organized. It says this retails for $14.99 at Pure One. Next, what is this thing? Luna Fofo Midnight. Oh shoot. This thing looks super cool. So this is called the Foreo Luna Fofo. It says it's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, and then it's sent straight to the Foreo Luna app. So basically what this is this is like a facial brush, and you use it on your face and it will analyze your skin's texture and send results and like analytics and all that kind of thing to the app that corresponds with this product. So it gives you a really customized, personalized skincare routine. This retails for $89. $89. It says it measures skin moisture, it reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, and then the app records your progress. So it will actually tell you how your skin is developing and how you're treating it as well too. Pretty cool. I know my sister-in-law really wanted this, so hopefully it comes in every single box. It looks like it does come in every single box. It comes in a hot pink color too, but I got the black one. So I will use this and I'll let you know what I think. Maybe I'll do a whole video on it. Let me know if you'd like to see that because it sounds pretty cool and it sounds super fancy. I'm excited. The next product I see in here is this Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an enzymatic, is that the right word? Cream exfoliator, advanced skincare. I will tell you, I have gotten some of my favorite skincare products in Fabfitfun boxes. Like, I don't know what it is, but they know how to send some good products. And they're always full size like this, and they're always pretty expensive. So this retails for $45. It's made with exfoliating papaya, milk protein, and vitamin E. And you will either get this exfoliating peel or you'll get a hair protected treatment spray. Also glad I got the exfoliating peel because I need some new skincare in my life. I see some fitness stuff. This is a loop resistant band, and if you don't know, I had a baby 5 weeks ago, so your girl's trying to get in shape. Fitness videos to come that I'm super excited about. Well, so this is a resistance band, retails for $15. It says it adds a challenge to any workout that targets your abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. So I'll have to figure out how to use it. Clearly, I haven't worked out in a while. But you will either get this, or you'll get a wallet, or you will get an enzymatic face rejuvenator. Yeah, I'm glad I got this. I am really trying to get in shape and eat healthy and lose the baby weight and all that good stuff, so I'll put it to use. I promise, Fabfitfun. There is a Kula Sport Classic Sunscreen SPF 50. So this is also an exclusive launch with Fabfitfun. So similar to the marble dish as well as the facial brush, these are all new products that are launching specifically with Fabfitfun. This retails for $32. It's a $32 sunscreen. It looks fancy. It says it's 80-minute water resistant and it's made with 70% organic ingredients too. So nice and healthy. There's a straw in here. This straw saves a marine life. Aww. Give a sip. Oh my gosh, there's a little otter. Is that an otter? I hope I don't sound really stupid right now. I think that's an otter. It says, a plastic straw has a lot more impact than you think. Imagine a graceful sea otter. It is an otter. So what does this straw do and why is it in the box? Oh, it's a reusable paper straw. So it's trying to bring awareness, and you can pledge to use less plastic through the Give a Sip organization. There's also hashtag Give a Sip on here. That's super sweet. I really love that. So I'll have more information down below because I'll have to go to the website and visit it and everything. But it's through the Wildlife Conservation Society. And I love that, and it's great for summertime and the little otters. Oh. Okay, and then the very last thing that's in this box is this makeup case. So it looks like you'll either get a makeup case or you'll get a summer beach towel. Kind of wish I would have gotten the towel. I have a lot of makeup cases, but I can't complain. So the makeup case is by Uni Ring, and it comes in either this dark navy color that's just nice and classic, or it comes in a floral print as well. And then there's 2 beach towel designs too. This makeup case retails for $58, which is kind of crazy. It looks nice and versatile. It has 2 layers to it. Oh, that's actually really helpful. So there's a top layer that can hold your brushes. Actually, I will use this because this looks like it holds a lot of makeup, more than my other case does. But there's a top layer that will hold your brushes plus a little compartment, and then a coupon at yumikim.com too. And then there's a bigger compartment underneath that can hold all your makeup. If you get the beach towel retails for $55, and that is by a company called Summer and Rose. So if you get Fabfitfun and you get the beach towel, let me know and let me know what you think. So all in all, the total value of this summer Fabfitfun box will range from $321.99 to $367.99, depending on the items that you get. Pretty crazy. That is like a really high value. I feel like usually they retail for like $250, things like that altogether. So in the 300s is really high. There's some great products in here. So again, if you get Fabfitfun, let me know what items you got. I'd love to hear if you got items different than me, if you got some of the same things, if you've tried any of them and what you thought. Also, let me know if you'd like to see a video on this facial brush. I think that could be pretty interesting. So I'll let you know what I think and maybe try and get that out for you soon if you think it'd be interesting. And if you don't have Fabfitfun and you want to sign up for it, I'll have a link down below and you can use my code OliviaZ to save you $10 off your first box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I was excited to get some new content out to you guys. Let me know anything else that you'd like to see for the summertime, fashion-wise, beauty-wise, and leave me a comment, say hi. If you like this video, I'd love if you subscribed. That way I could have you back for my YouTube family. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this. I look so pale. Like, this half of me does not look summer ready. This half of me does not really look summer ready either, but this half, like this general area,